Hello my team members and the opponent team members. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mehek. So today I'm discussing about which game is better, cricket or football. I think it's cricket because it is a very famous game in the world. It can be played men, women and children all of ages. It is an outdoor game which can be played bat, ball and stumps. It is usually played on field in two teams. If one team gets more runs, it will be wins the game. It is a national game of England, and it is also played on many countries too. In India, children and adults likes the game to playing, and it is very exciting game. And it is and they also see the game on the television. And cricket is a very good game for our health. It teaches us very important lessons. Thank you everyone to listening my speech and giving your valuable time. Assalamu alaikum.